Good morning. Who gets tired of the same flavor in eggs? I know I do. My aunt taught me how to make something. It's called a Korean egg roll. No, it's not your traditional egg rolls with the wrappers and deep fried. It's egg. And you dice up carrots and green onions in there and you fry it. I have some butter melted. Set it off while I do my eggs. I have 2 eggs that are beaten. I like a lot of onions, so I'm putting the entire scallion in mine. I have some shredded carrot, about that much, probably about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. Mix it up. I have butter melted in a pan that I've sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. Put that in there. It's on about 4. It doesn't take very long for this to cook. This reminds me of my Aunt Betty. She used to fix this a lot when she made Asian dishes. But some people just put it in there like this, let it cook, flip it, put cheese in it like a normal omelet. But to get the Asian style, you need to start on the edges. When it firms up enough to turn it, pull the rest of it back to you. Move the mixture that's not cooked yet to the end. Flip it a little bit more. Try to do it on a low enough heat, about 4 on my stove. That way it doesn't get brown on the outside. And again, always move the uncooked mixture away from where you're rolling. Flip it.
Mom, guess what? I just put our new dog to sleep.
Good. Real life, people. Children interrupting.
But at least I put her to sleep.
Yes, you put her to sleep. And you keep flipping. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. That way you know it's all the way cooked through. You flip it, you see that it's a little brown on top. Let me grab a plate. See? Cook through, nice and soft, and it's delicious, and it gives your morning eggs an entirely different flavor. And of course, super low carb. Eat it, enjoy.